Number 21 says pipe A and B can fill a tank in 10 hours and 40 hours respectively. C is an outlet pipe attached to the tank. If all the pipes are open simultaneously, it takes 80 minutes more time. Not 80 minutes, but 80 minutes more time than what A and B together take to fill the tank. Okay, then it says that A and B are kept open for 7 hours and then closed, and C is opened. Okay, so A and B has worked for 7 hours, then C is opened. Now C will empty the tank in how much time? So how will you solve it? First of all, we have to get the efficiency. A and B, A is 10, B is 40. Ratio of time. Okay, so total work is 40 LCM, right? So efficiency will be 4:1, 4 and 1. So total time taken by A plus B to fill the tank is 4 plus 1, 5, means 8 hours. Clear? Now it says that if all the pipes are open simultaneously, it takes 80 minutes more time. Okay, so 80 minutes more time when A, B, C, 3 are open. 3 are opened, so A plus B plus C takes 8 hours plus 80 minutes. It's hour and it's minute. So it's actually 9 hour 20 minutes. 9 hour and 20 minutes, right? So 20 minutes means 1 by 3. 20 upon 60 means 1 by 3. Clear? So it's 9 and 1 by 3 hour. Clear? So what does this 9 and 1 by 3 resemble? It says that A, B, C in together. So we can form. Look at this carefully. 40 is the total work. Here A plus B plus or minus C. Actually it's minus C because it's an draining pipe. So 40 upon A plus B plus C is equals to 9 upon 9 and 1 by 3. Right? This is the equation. Okay. This A plus B is 4 and 5. The efficiency of A and B is there. 4 and 1. So 4 and 1 is 5. So 5 plus C. Right? So C will be equals to, it's C and it will be 9, 28, right? So it will be 35 plus 7C, right? 35 plus 7C is equals to 30, right? So from there we can get C equals to 5 by 7, right? Okay, I am doing it for you. Okay, what is that? It's 35 plus 7C is equals to 30 from this equation. Okay, then C will be 30 minus 35 means minus 5 by 7. Why is it minus? Because it's a draining pipe, right? So you can get the efficiency of C is as C is minus 5 by 7. Okay, then it says that A and B are kept open for 7 hours. So how much of the tank was filled in 7 hours? The efficiency is 4 and 1, 5, right? So in 7 hours, A and B in 7 hours has filled 5 into 7, right? 5 is the total efficiency and 7 is the time. So total work has done 35, right? Now C will empty this 35 unit of the filled water or tank, whatever say. So how much time will it take? C will take 35 by 5 by 7, right? So 35 into 7 by 5, so it's 7 and 7, 49. It will take 49 hours to empty the tank. So option C will be the right one. Clear? So if you have any queries regarding this question, you can ask. We are moving to the next one now. There are two water taps in a tank which can fill the empty tank in 12 hours and 18 hours respectively. It has seen that there is a leakage point at the bottom of the tank which can empty the completed tank in 36 hours. Okay, if both the water taps are opened at the same time to fill the empty tank and leakage point was repaired after 1 hour, then in how much time the empty tank will be completely filled? So here we can see actually there are two pipes and one leakage. So there are actually three pipes, we can assume A, B and C. A fills at 12 hours, 12 and it's 18, and C is emptying it in 36 hours. So what's the total capacity? 36, right? So efficiency will be, there will be 3, it's 2 and it's 1. This is in minus because it's emptying the tank. So what is the total efficiency? Total efficiency is 3 plus 2 minus 1, it's 4, right? So in the question it said that if both the water taps, this portion, if both the water taps are opened at the same time to fill the empty tank and leakage point was repaired after 1 year. So these three pipes or two pipes and the leakage worked for 1 hour, right? So how much of the tank was filled? Total tank is 36 unit. Total capacity of the tank is 36. 4 unit was actually emptied because 5 units were filled and 1 unit was emptied. So it's a net is 4. So 32 unit. This 32 unit was filled in 1 hour before repairing. Okay. So then it said that then in how much time the empty tank will be completely filled. It will be completely filled in then in the next case there are only A and B, no C, because this C was repaired. So C is now valueless. So the total efficiency is now 3 plus 2 5, right? So total time will be 32 upon 5, it's 6 hours and 24 minutes. How is it 24 minutes? Look at this. We calculate it like this. 6, 30. 2 is there, right? This is hour. So if we have to calculate it in minutes, we have to multiply it with 60, right? So it's 120. 524 is a 120. Clear? So it's 6 hour and 24 minutes. So will that be the answer? No. The question is how much time the empty tank will be completely filled. Actually 1 hour, it has worked 1 hour earlier, so it will be plus 1 hour. So 7 hour, 24 minutes will be the answer. Option 2. Clear? I hope you don't have any queries regarding this question. It's a simple one. Just the question is lengthy. Okay? Moving to the next one. Next is pipe A and B can fill a tank in 12 hours and 16 hours respectively, and pipe C can empty the full tank in 24 hours. All three pipes are open together, but after 4 hours pipe B is closed. In how many hours from the beginning the tank will be filled? So how will you solve it? Simple one again. A and B, there are three pipes A, B, C. It's 12, 16, but this is 24, right? So what's the total capacity? It's 24, it's 48, right? So there will be the efficiency is 4, 3 and 2. So what is the total efficiency? Mind that this is in minus because this is a emptying pipe which is emptying the tank. So total efficiency is 4 and 3 7 minus 2 is 5. So it said that the three pipes are opened together, but after 4 years pipe B is closed. So this 5 efficiency had worked for 4 hours, so it has filled 20 units, right? What's the remaining? Remaining is 48 minus 20 is 28. 48 minus 20 is 28, right? In the next case, it's B is closed, so efficiency of B will not be used here. It is the 4 minus 2 means 2 is the efficiency. Now 14, so 14 hours, it will take 14 hour or 14 minute, 14 hour to fill the tank. But the question is from the beginning, so it's 14 plus 4, it's 18. 18 hour will be the answer. Clear? Not 14, it's 18 because the question is the beginning, from the beginning, right? So 18 hours will be the answer. Clear? Moving to the next one. So next is a tank is filled in 4 hours by 3 pipes A, B, C. The pipe C is 1.5 means 1.5 times as fast as B. B is 3 times as fast as A. How many hours will pipe A alone take to fill the tank? So how will you solve it? Look at it carefully. We have to get the ratio of the efficiencies. How will you do it? It's a concept from ratio and proportion, right? It said that B is 3 times as fast as A. If A is 1, then B is 3, right? And it said that pipe C is 1 and 1.5 times as fast as B. So if B is 2, then C is 3, right? So we have to equalize it. We have to multiply it with 2 and here with 3, right? So the ratio will be 2 is to 6 is to 9, right? So what is the total efficiency? Total efficiency is 17. Clear? Next is that how many hours will pipe B? Sorry, the question has said that our tank is filled in 4 hours. So what is the total capacity? The total capacity is 17 into 4, right? Because this is the total efficiency and this is the total time. So total work or total capacity will be 68. The question is how many hours will pipe A alone to take to fill the tank? Okay, so efficiency of A is 2, so it will be divided by 2, 34. 34 hours will be the time taken by A alone. Clear? So option B is the right answer. Moving to the next one. 3 pipes X, Y, Z discharge 3 different chemicals A, B and C in a tank. Okay. The pipes can fill the tank in 20, 25 and 40 minutes respectively. What will be the proportion of chemical B in the tank if all the pipes are open for 10 minutes? Okay, so how will you solve it? If 3 pipes are like this, 20 minutes, it takes 20, it takes 25 and it takes 40 minutes. Okay, okay. It's A, B, C. Okay. So what is the total capacity? 200. What is the total efficiency? How will you get this? 10, 8, 5. This is the efficiency. This is the time. This is the total capacity, total work, whatever you say. So it said what will be the proportion of chemical B in the tank if all the pipes are open for 10 minutes. This 10 minutes is valueless because if B is work for 10 minutes, then we have to calculate the efficiency on 10 minutes. If we have to calculate it on 1 minute, then we can see that the B efficiency of B tank or Y, whatever you take, it's 8 upon the total efficiency. 10 plus 8 plus 5 is 23. Okay. Okay, it's a 1 minute. So if we keep the pipes open for 10 minutes, then it will be multiplied by 10 in both sides. Okay, so it is actually 8 by 23. 8 by 23 portion of the chemical B in the tank will be filled in 10 minutes, right? So what is the 8 minutes? Is option C. Clear? Moving to the next one. 2 pipes A and B can fill a tank in 12 minutes and 24 minutes respectively, while third pipe C can empty the full tank in 32 minutes. All 3 pipes are open together, however pipe C is closed 2 minutes before the tank is filled. In how much time will the tank be full? The answer will be in a minute. So I'll solve it. There are 3 pipes A, B and C. This is emptying, right? This 2 will be in plus. So it's 12, it's 24 and this one is 32. Right? So what is the LCM? LCM is 96. Clear? So it is 12 8s are, 24 4s are, 32 3s are. Clear? It says that all 3 pipes are open together. However, pipe C is closed 2 minutes before the tank is filled. So how much water is the water, or how much of the liquid will be emptied by C in 2 minutes? Is 3 is the efficiency of C. So it will be emptied 3 into 2 means 6 unit. Clear? So now we have to calculate it in 90. 90 is the total capacity now, right? And what is the total efficiency? 8 4 is 12, 8 plus 4 12 and minus 3. It will be minus because it's emptying the tank. So it will be 9. So we have to divide it and 10 will be the answer. Clear? Easy one. Moving to the next one. So next says in 6 minutes 4 by 13 of a bucket is filled. How much time will it take to fill the remaining bucket? So a simple one is a question of CGL Tier 2, but it's a simple one. 4 by 13 was filled in 6 minutes. So we can assume 13 as the total capacity, whereas 4 part was filled, right? So remaining is 13 minus 4 is 9. It's the remaining. So 4 part was filled in 6 minutes. 1 will be in 6 by 4. 6 by 4, whereas 9 will be filled in 6 into 9 by 4. So it is 13.5, 13 and a half. So 13 minutes, 13 minutes 30 seconds will be the answer. Clear? Moving to the next one. Okay, what's the next? A tank is to be filled completely with water for which 8 pipes of same kind are used. The tank gets filled in 1 hour and 40 minutes. Okay. If 10 pipes of the same kind as mentioned above are used, in how much time will the tank be completely filled? So I will solve it. It's a simple one. 8 pipes take 1 hour 40 minutes means 100 minutes, right? So one pipe will take 100 into 8 and 10 pipes will take 100 into 8 by 10. I am doing it as in a basic way, okay? We can solve it by ratio method also, okay? So 80 minutes is the answer. 80 minutes is 1 hour 20 minutes, right? 60 plus 20, so 1 hour 20 minutes. Moving to the next one. 29 says pipe A and B can fill a tank in 16 hours, 16 hours and 24 hours respectively. And pipe C alone can empty the full tank in X hours. All the pipes are open together at 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. but C was closed at 2:30 p.m. If the tank was full at 8:30 p.m. on the same day, then what is the value of X? How will you solve it? It's a good question. Was asked in CGL Tier 2 2019. Latest question is an important question. So there are two pipes, inlet pipes, and one is outlet pipe. Outlet pipe is C. So inlet pipe A and B has the time frame of 16 hours and 24. So what is the total capacity? LCM is 48. So what is the efficiency? Efficiency is 3 and 2 is the time, total capacity, and is the efficiency. Clear? Now it said that C alone can empty the full tank in X hours. So C can empty the tank in X hours. We are now not taking it. So it said all the pipes are open together at 10:30 a.m. but C was closed at 2:30 p.m. So C has worked for 10:30 p.m. to 10:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. is 4 hours, right? And 4 hours C has worked for 4 hours. Whereas if the tank was full at 8:30 p.m. so after that only A and B has worked. So these two have worked for 2:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. means 6 hours. Clear? So we can say that this 48 is equals to the total time into total efficiency, right? Total capacity or total work is equals to total time into total efficiency. We have learned it. So now we can see that 4 hours C has worked for 4 hours if this is X and this has the efficiency of, suppose we are assuming it as C, okay? C, so we are taking it as C. So 4 hours, and so this 4 hours, in these 4 hours the total efficiency was 5, this 3 plus 2 5 minus this C. Clear? Okay. And in the rest 6 hours plus 6 into 5 because C was stopped then. So this is 48. Clear? So now we can say 20 minus 4C plus 30 is equals to 48. So from here we can say that C is equals to 0.5. Clear? It's 50, 50 minus 48, 2, 4 minus 2 means 5 is 0.5, right? C is equals to 0.5. So now the question is the value of X. So value of X means the total time taken by X. So it will be 48 divided by 0.5. Clear? So is it? It is 96. It is 96. Fine. Have you understood? I hope it's clear to you. If you have any problem regarding this question, it's an important question, a tricky one. Okay? So if you have any doubt or any issue regarding this question, you can comment. Moving to the next one. So now number 30 says pipe A can fill a tank of capacity 350 liters in 3.5 minutes. Pipe B can fill a tank of capacity 700 liters in 8 and 2 by 3 minutes. How long in minute will it take to fill a tank of capacity 15 liters if both the pipes are open together? First of all, we have to get the efficiency ratio of efficiency, or we have to get the efficiency. What's the efficiency of A? Is 350 upon 3.5. 3.5 by 3.5 means 3.5 is 100, right? And B is efficiency is 780 upon 8 is 26. So into 3 by 26, right? So it's 30. So it's 90. Clear? So it says the total capacity is 1615, whereas the total efficiency is 190, right? So total time will be 1615 upon 190. Clear? So it can be divided by, it's 38 5. Okay, we are dividing with 5, so it's 5 3s are 5 2s are 5 3s are. Clear? Is it okay? So it can be divided by 19. It's 2. It will be 1 and 7, right? So 17 upon 2. So 17 upon 2 means 8 and half. Clear? 8 and half. So the answer will be 8 and half. Okay, fine.